Okay, our product review for today is Hipa. Fixing machines can be easier. This is a 14-piece carburetor adjusting tools. 14 pieces right there. It also comes with the, I'll show you there's what it looks like. Also has the carburetor cleaning kit. We're going to be using that after a while. We got a lawnmower over here that just won't stay running, so we're going to take off the carburetor. We're going to get it all cleaned up. This is a STIHL Farm Boss. I've had it for a few years, but it needs chain tightened. It needs to be the chain sharpened, and I've cut down 2 trees with it. And haven't used it too much in the last couple of years. So I appreciate Hipa Store for sending this out to me today so we could check this out on the channel. Looks like a nice set. These are nice tools here. They're all marked on the ends. And they're square. So when you screw it all the way in, you can back it out. Say, back it out at 1.5 turns. Well, square, you can easily find your location. Quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn, that's a full turn. So that makes that a lot easier. Well, when you get into the expensive tools, like the STIHL, weed eaters and the chainsaws and blowers and all that, they're too expensive just to run for a while, 3 or 4 years, throw them away, buy another one. It's when basically all I might need is a little tune-up. Now you go down on the Hipa Store, the link is down below. They have all kind of stuff. They got filters, they got tools, they got carburetor kits. They got all kind of stuff down there. Yeah, I see they got all kind of stuff here. So the link is down below. Okay, you're looking at the STIHL weed eater. Got the cover off there. Gonna bring it in. You can see right in here. There and there. You can see their hidden carburetor adjustments right there. And there's a tool for that. Get all these tools out of here. Stick that in there and just turn it. See how it just fits right in there? Turn it counterclockwise. Got it out. Let's Screw it back down in there. Okay, I got this all messed up now, so I am gonna have to tune on it now. Right there's your primer ball. Squeeze that a few times. There's probably no gas in here. There's a little bit in there. I use that True Fuel, so you can keep that in there year round without worrying about it messing up your carburetor. Okay, well, here's your choke and stuff. Yeah, well, I got all this apart. I'm going to go ahead and clean that filter up good. This thing always runs pretty good. It's a little hard to start at the first, but it runs pretty good. So you got your high side and your low side. I might have that backwards. One side closer to the engine is the high side, and the other one is the low side. Okay, this STIHL Farm Boss chainsaw right here, it's got its settings right over here. Probably best to pull the cover off to make sure you got the right tool that goes down in there. It might be the spline, it could be any of them actually. I guess we could pull it off real quick and see. Yeah, we got a lawnmower over here we're going to work on here shortly. That will not stay running. These tools are mainly for two-stroke engines, so keep that in mind. Mainly for your weed eaters and your chainsaws, stuff like that. Okay, there's your, got the cover off, and let's see what that is real quick. Yeah, this one needs to be cleaned up good too. Needs that air cleaner all cleaned up. These look like they got the covers on them. See right down there? Pull that little cover off right there and you'll be able to see what kind of screws down in there. Could be the Pac-Man, it could be, I don't know, I'd have to look it up. Got an outer hexagon. Okay, this is all your 14-piece set. Got all kind of ends on them. There's the Pac-Man. You got a hexagon. Got about everything you're gonna need for the small engine repair. This is mainly for two-stroke engines. Got a carburetor cleaning kit. Got an Allen wrench in there. We'll be cleaning up a carburetor here shortly. Got a nice little case it comes with. Fixing machines can be easier. Hipa. Don't forget to go down to the bottom of this video here, down in the description, and check out what all they got down there. All kind of good stuff. Like I say, I appreciate the guys sending this out to me so we can check it out on the channel. 14-piece. You get that on Amazon. I'll put a link on that also down in the description. Okay, I got one more chainsaw I want to show you. I got this from my brother. He let me take a look at it. Brand new. I don't even think it's ever been started, and it will not run. So this might be a carburetor adjustment. So we'll clean this off here, so we'll get that put in here. Okay, looks like it's going to be a Craftsman. I haven't taken this out in a while, but it looked like he's over here messing with the ignition switch or something over here. Got all this taken apart. For what, I had no idea. It might not be getting spark. There's your primer bulb right there. And your adjustments in here. That's probably your throttle adjustment right there. I don't know what he's got going on here. When you don't take it apart, it's kind of hard to figure out how it went back in there. So I might have to get a video on the Craftsman 18 horse. No, it's a Craftsman 18 inch 42 cc right there. See that brand new filter? Well, it looks like it has been run. Ain't been run very much though. He told me it's brand new, but must have had problems with it right from the get-go. Yeah, you can see it's been, don't even have the paint wore off on the bar yet. Imagine the teeth is still pretty sharp. Okay, I want to show you that one real quick. I'll get this one out of the way. It's like I'm gonna have to take a work on that for a little bit. Stick it back in the box. Okay, we got this. I think it's a 3.5. It might be a 4.5. Okay, 148 cc. This thing will not stay running. They're going to pull this carburetor off here. We're going to clean her up. Going to use that carburetor kit. So I'll get this thing tore down. We'll be right back. Well, I guess we're not going to be cleaning this carburetor up. Pull this thing off, and like the intake tube got busted off. See that? So I'm going to have to get one of them ordered. I don't remember what happened, but I remember that carburetor, everything got hit. And that carburetor was sagging down. I don't know. Tree limb or something hit that, or... Anyway, somehow it got broke. That's why it will not stay running. Sucking too much air. So I pulled the tank off, and this right here, I think I can rebuild it here. Anyway, when you go back to clean it up, just go, I was going to wash it out in acetone, but just pick out whichever, get the right size of these cleaners here, poke it right down the holes there and clean it out. Yeah, these filters are all dirty. The air cleaner was super dirty. That's the one that even ran at all. So I think I can order that part, this part right here. I'll have to pull the cover completely off in order to get to that. But that's what's wrong with this one. These things are all made out of plastic anymore. There's your bulb right there. Yeah, if you need any of these things right here, go to the Hipa store, get all your parts you need, all your carburetor parts. But I'll have to go to Briggs & Stratton to get that part. That part right there made out of plastic. Now generally they was made out of aluminum, and it might have bent, but it wouldn't have broke. Just straighten it back out. Nowadays these things are disposable. Stop running, just go buy another one. That's why a lot of people don't bother messing with them anymore. But if you want to work on your own tools, your saws and your weed eaters and blowers and stuff like that, well, you need one of these kits right here. You need one of them Hipa parts right there. Need one of these Hipa. All these different sizes in there. Yep, that's what you need. That way, if you wanna, you can work on it. A lot of times in summertime, them lawnmower shops are, Weedeater and chainsaw shops are so busy. You might as well just fix it yourself. You can do it with this kit right here. So Amazon link will be down below. You can go to the Hipa store and get what you need on that store. You can get what you need on that link. And I appreciate them sending this out to us. And now I got some saws and stuff to work on. Lawnmowers, get them all cleaned up, ready to go for the summer. I got to get all these chainsaws all sharpened up, and I didn't show you my little one. It's an electric one though, so it don't even have a carburetor, so ain't no use bringing that out. Okay, there's a look at the 14-piece set. Very well made. This is the splined. See how they're okay, got the rest of it off. This is the part that was still on the engine. That's such a clean break, I might just go ahead and JB weld that one. I'll have to look at the, I might just go ahead and get a new one, I don't know. That's what I need right there. The air intake. I don't want to come back apart and have to do it again. So I may just go ahead and order another one. They're probably not very much anyway, probably $5 or probably $5 shipping. Anyway, you need that if I'm gonna salvage that lawnmower. Okay, that's gonna do it. Okay, thanks for watching.